turn around.
Okay. But she turned around. Good girl, Hurricane. There we go. Ready to fly. Okay.
Alright. What's in Hurricane's bag?
Well, our snacks, toys, there's some food in there, and her medication, and some pee-pee pads, and garbage bag, and a bow tie.
Cool.
Because you always gotta look good.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
It's raining, Rosie. Hey guys, I'm Tram.
I'm Twa.
We're from Mini Cat Town. Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, welcome back. So today we're taking Hurricane to Atlanta to meet her new folks, and we're just waiting for our flight.
Yeah, we're at the San Jose airport.
She looks pretty comfortable. I think she's ready to go. Oh, Hurricane. We're going to Atlanta.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID. You gotta check the pad.
Yeah.
The cat?
Yes. Her name's Hurricane.
I like that one.
Katrina?
Right.
Just your
Yeah.
Katrina, huh?
Her adopters are in Atlanta.
So we're taking her there. They need to see your ID.
Special,
ID?
huh?
Don't laugh at my handwriting. It's kind of smudgy because I'm looking.
No, it looks good.
Hurricane got her own ticket.
He's telling me thank you. Yeah, welcome there. Little girly.
Thank you.
All right.
Perfect. Are we all good to
Is
go?
that a happy cat? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Gate 4.
Gate 4? Okay.
See you up there.
Ready to go, ready to fly.
Alright, Hurricane is TSA pre-approved.
She got TSA pre-check.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, he printed both of our boarding passes? Thank you. So pre-check is closed. You guys.
Alright, we just went through security with Hurricane and she passed.
Yeah. We had to carry her through though. That was interesting. It's working. Oh, it's right there.
Is she heavy?
Yeah. Need any snacks? Where are we? You wanna go sit at the window? She's like, I'm just gonna lay here.
I'm
just gonna chill.
chilling.
And I'll make sure all cell phones are still in the airplane mode or turned in the off position. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you.
We made it through the flight.
Guys, we just landed in Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia.
Hurricane did good. She did well. Sorry, bad grammar. Long flight.
Say hello to Mini Cat Town.
The boys are coming now. They can hear people.
Oh yeah? Should we put the carrier down so that, you know, maybe they
sniff or whatever.
Whoa! You're a big guy, aren't you?
Oh yeah, big boys. Remy's a little shyer, but Mason can't help himself.
Come here.
She probably needs to use
The litter box is upstairs, so we
Oh,
can
okay.
go show her where that is.
What breed are they?
They're ragdolls.
Oh. You've never seen a ragdoll your color.
Yeah, he's a flame point, and then
Yeah.
Remy is a sealed mink.
Oh.
No hissing. Good, good.
He's so docile. He's also an old man, so he just doesn't really care that much.
She's so well socialized.
I know. I was
Yeah.
hoping because people were asking, obviously, like, have they ever met another cat? And I was like, oh yeah, my sister's cat lived with us for like a year and a half while she was out of the.
Hi, Monkey.
She's like, I don't know where this is, but I need a pee. Because it was just her and Twisty, right? That ended up making it from her litter? Or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so basically, the pills are really small. You want to use this. This is a brand new one.
Perfect.
You want to use this one first, twice a day, every 12 hours.
Yeah.
It's tiny. So basically, you just put it in her mouth and then grab like a syringe of water. Or was that for something?
Oh, that's my, for my plants, but, you know, you could always use that. But yeah, I have
That's true.
I use a syringe, a much smaller one, but for Mason when I give him his meds.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can use the same one for him, or I brought you some extra.
Yeah, thank you.
And you just squirt it in her mouth, and then she'll swallow it, and then that's it. Does Mason also take pills, or?
He takes a liquid.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He has, they said since he's older, apparently it's really common in older male cats to have slow GI tracts.
Mm-hmm.
So he has trouble, like, going to the bathroom. So
Oh,
he gets, like a...
Probiotic?
No, it's, what is it? It's basically a sugar, but it helps, like, soften. It's like a stool softener.
Oh,
like,
cool.
so it makes him easier to go.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was very good.
Good girl.
I'm so impressed.
Yeah, that was good.
good. That was a good girl, though.
Good job.
She did it.
Yay, you did it.
Whoa, what's taxis?
Where we going?
Rockefeller?
Alright, where we going? 11th Avenue, Thank you.
Can we get, when we go to Rockefeller, can we get dropped off on 50th Street between 5th and 6th? Thank you.
Woo. Hey guys, we are actually in New York.
We're at Rockefeller.
We're at Rockefeller Center. Is that what it is?
I think that's what it is.
Yeah. And then we're actually meeting up with someone that you guys might know. So stay tuned. Actually meeting up with Frankie. She's the one who adopted Coco, now named Cody, from us. So we're going to go see her and possibly have lunch with her if we make it in time, because we only have a 5-hour layover. Hi! I'm vlogging.
I can't believe how fast it took you guys.
That was really fast.
That was like record time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it always takes at least 40 minutes.
Oh,
no matter when it is.
Are
Even
you-
at like 9.
Oh.
Taxis are expensive.
They are, but it's
Yeah.
worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got here like super record time.
That's
and we
true.
made up all
Yeah.
the delay.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, this is mine, but I had to get some for myself too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I got you enough to last through
Our trip home.
your trip home.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So much. I have something for you and the boys. Oh, that's it.
I got right this way. Right this way, guys.
This way?
There. And then across, that's New Jersey. Oh, really? Yeah, so our state line, like, is that,
Oh, so you have to work in Jersey.
yeah, or like, take the car because there are all these bridges.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people actually do it.
That looks really nice. Have you guys gotten any snow this year?
We did before Christmas.
Oh, that's so nice.
And then I wasn't here for most of the holidays. I was in Asia.
It is definitely a little more pleasant.
Hey guys, what's up your chocolate? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, friend with pink hair.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That's a double chocolate, and then the classic is this one, which is the chocolate chip walnut.
That looks insane. I'm just gonna
Break some.
Where's the logo? I did text you last night. Oh, okay. Oh, fail.
Hi. Okay, thanks. Okay.
Safe flight back.